I'm gonna do a joke for you. This is a real joke. No, it has a beginning, middle, and end, like a joke thing. Okay, a joke. Okay. A man is a machinist. He's working in a factory, and the machine cuts off his hand. And he runs out and he runs to the doctor. He says, "Doctor, I got my hand cut off. Can you help me?" Doctor says, "Oh, no problem. We can do that today." He said, "Well, what's it going to cost me?" He said, "Oh, about $150,000. So what are you, crazy? He runs out. He's running down the street. He sees Giuseppe the shoemaker. He goes over. He says, "Giuseppe, look, I cut off my hand. Can you help me?" He says, "Oh, no problem." He says, "Come on in." Comes in and he sews it. And Giuseppe sews it back on. He goes, "Giuseppe, this is great." He said, How much do I owe you?" He said, "Nah, give me $2. So he gives him $2. Now he's going back to work at the factory. He's walking down the street. He sees the doctor coming along. He says, "Yo, Doc, you remember me? I cut off my hand. You want to sew it back on? You want to charge me $150,000? Giuseppe, the shoemaker, did it. He charged me $2. So